This is Signal Hounds talking RF, and today we're talking how to show users how to utilize our SDK.
This is Signal Hounds talking RF. Sean here, and in this video, I'll be showing users how to utilize our SDK. Many of our users will find that our free Spike software contains all the features they need. However, some customers need features that Spike doesn't offer or need to integrate control of a Signal Hound device into their own application. These types of customers can utilize our SDK to meet their needs. Our SDK offers customers the ability to control and extract data from our device using our API or Skippy commands. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use our C++ API with one of the many included examples. We'll cover key steps including downloading and navigating the SDK, placing the appropriate SDK provided files into a Visual Studio project, running one of the example programs, and for this demo, I'll be using an SM200C, a laptop, and Visual Studio 2022 Community. Let's get started.
We will begin by downloading it from our website. Go to signalhound.com/software/signal-hound-software-development-kit-SDK. Scroll to the bottom of the page to find the download link. Download the Signal Hound Software Development Kit. Once it's downloaded, extract it. Since we are using an SM device, if you navigate to Signal Hound SDK, Device APIs, SM Series, Examples, C++, then Measurements, you will see multiple measurement examples. Let's use the SM Example IQ stream. To run this, we will need to start a new Visual Studio project. Create a new project, create a console application, name it SHSM Stream Example, or whatever name you would like. Now, take the example file which we chose earlier and drop it in the project files of that new project. You will then want to drop the API header file into that project. Go to the SDK, navigate back into the Device APIs, SM Series, Include, and grab the SM API header. Copy that and drop it into the project folder. We are also going to need the library. Since we're operating on Windows, we're going to go back up to the SM Series, lib, win, vs 2019, x64, and copy both files. Then simply drop that into the project folder. Next, you're going to want to move the header file into Visuals Header Files folder. Open the project main, or in our case, shsm stream example.c++. We're going to need to include the example and call the function defined in the example from the main entry point. Over on the example code, located in the project folder, we need to edit a couple of lines. Since we're using a network connection to the SM200C, we will need to uncomment line 20 with the call to the SM Open Network device and then comment out this SM Open device, which is just for USB devices. Next, we need to link the library. To do this, we're going to need to update the properties for the linker and add any additional dependencies. This will be the location of your library, smapi.lib. Additionally, we need to place the DLL file in the location where the executable will be created. For our case, that would be the project debug folder. Now press run, and there you go. We have just walked you through how to go about utilizing our C++ APIs.
Signal Hound C++ API is a powerful tool. You can unlock a wide range of applications, such as real-time RF spectrum monitoring, automated signal analysis, development of custom testing equipment, and research in wireless communications. Whether you're building advanced RF testing platforms, integrating signal analysis into your engineering workflows, or developing tools for spectrum management, Signal Hound's API provides the flexibility and control you need. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@signalhound.com or leave your questions in the comment section below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.